Sahih Al-Bukhari 3456, narrated Abu Sa'id radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the Prophet sallallaho alaihi said, "You will follow the wrong ways of your predecessor so completely and literally that if they should go into the hole of the mystiger, you too will go there." We said, "O Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi wasallam, do you mean the Jews and the Christians?" He replied, "Whom else?" Meaning, of course, the Jews and the Christians. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3457, narrated Anas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the people mentioned the fire and the bell as means proposed for announcing the time of prayer, and by such a suggestion they referred to the Jews and the Christians, but Bilal radiallahu ta'ala anha was ordered to announce the words of the azan, i.e. call for the prayer twice and the ikama once only. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3458, narrated Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha, that she used to hate that one should keep his hands on his flanks while praying. She said that the Jews used to do so. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3459, narrated Ibn Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhuma, Allah's Messenger sallallaho alaihi said, "Your period, i.e. the Muslims' period, in comparison to the periods of the previous nations, is like the period between the Asr prayer and sunset, and your example in comparison to the Jews and the Christians is like the example of a person who employed that some laborers and asked them, who will work for me till midday for one kirat each? The Jews worked for half a day for one kirat each. The person asked, who will do the work for me from midday to the time of the Asr prayer for one kirat each? The Christians worked from midday till the Asr prayer from one kirat. Then the person asked, who will do the work for me from the Asr till the sunset of two kirat each? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam added, it is you, i.e. Muslims, who are doing the work from the Asr till sunset, so you will have a double reward. The Jews and the Christians got angry and said, we have done more work but got less wage. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, have I been unjust to you as regards your rights? They said, no. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, then it is my blessing which I bestow on whomever I like. Sahih Al-Bukhari 3460, narrated Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, I heard Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu saying, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala curse and so, does not he know that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, may Allah curse the Jews, for though they were forbidden to eat fat, they liquefied it and sold it. Like and subscribe my channel for more of these videos. Allah bless you. Allah Hafiz.